right, so I want to take this back to the beginning. I'm just going to select on this far right. How can I say this? This is just going to push us all the way to the beginning. If I select on that, you'll see it goes all the way to the beginning. If I select on this, it'll take me all the way to the end. So let me go all the way back to the beginning here. And you'll notice that we have these buttons here. These buttons represent frame forward and frame backwards. So you'll find them useful. And of course, we have our play button. So if I frame forward, I'm just going to press on this button. And you'll see that we have these frames. And go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward. Okay? So I'm going to go all the way back to the back. And now I'm actually in the program. So I want to go over and select points. And I'm going to use this reticle here. And I am going to middle center this. Now, this is good because we can actually sit on this rod right here, or we can double tap on the screen. I'm just going to double click. That's my desktop, but I'm going to double tap with my finger. And when I double tap with my finger, you'll notice that it's magnified. I like that magnification feature, especially as I get older. You'll find out what happens as you get older with your eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and tap here. And I'm trying to remain in the middle, well, this is the middle, center of this black piece of tape. This is just some electrical tape here. So I'm going to tap again, tap again, tap again. And let's just say for some reason you are out here, someone distracted you, and then you tapped. Well, that point is not on the target. So what you want to do is you want to go back one. You'll notice that it's now yellow. So that means that this point is in this frame. You can just touch on the screen somewhere and you'll see these arrows come up, and then you can just select this point. Now you'll see that it says select all or just delete this one point. So if I select all, I'll end up deleting every point. That's not what I really want to do. Sometimes you might find it useful, but that's not what I want to do in this particular case. So I'm going to tap on the screen somewhere. And now I'm going to try to select again over on this particular point, and then I want to delete it. So now I'm in the appropriate frame because I just framed back, and this is my target. So let me just go ahead and take this on through. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go all the way to the end of this video. Okay. Right now we're in the third quadrant of our coordinate system. If you guys remember quadrants, that's what we are. Now notice, even though I'm getting in the center, the middle center of this thing almost every time, but that's coming from practice.